Welcome to our guide on how to refer friends on DraftKings. This program not only enhances your gaming experience, but also rewards you for sharing the fun. Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to refer a friend. First, log into your DraftKings account. Then navigate to the referral section and grab your unique referral link. When your friend signs up using your link and makes their first deposit, both of you receive rewards. Let's break down how it works. Before you refer friends, make sure they are eligible. They must be new to DraftKings and located in a state where we operate. Bonuses are typically credited shortly after your friend's first deposit. It's a fast and efficient way to boost your account. Want to maximize your earnings? Share your link on social media or in gaming groups to reach more friends. Be cautious of common mistakes, such as not communicating the bonuses clearly or sharing with ineligible friends. Let's address some frequently asked questions about the referral program to clear up any confusion you might have. Now that you know the ins and outs of referring friends, it's time to start sharing and boost those rewards. Don't wait. Share your link, sign up your friends, and start reaping the rewards today.